Hello everyone, I am Prem Kumar. Welcome to Olympiads Math Academy. Today I am going to discuss with you very interesting question, IOQM. So Sn is given to you, summation k vary from 0 to n, 1 by square root of k plus 1 plus square root of k. What they are asking, what is the value of summation vary from 1 to 99, 1 divided by Sn plus Sn minus 1. So what you can do, these kind of question you have to use the telescopic series. You know, telescopic series is means you can see the first and last will be left, remaining everything will be cancelled. The same way here is under the square root is there in the denominator, you have to remove this, you have to rationalize it for that. Okay, so what you can do, just you can take the given Sn, you rationalize it, k is equal to 0 to n square root of k plus 1 plus square root of k. You have to multiply, k plus 1 minus square root of k divided by square root of k plus 1 minus square root of k. Clear? So you have to simplify this. What will get? K is equal to 0 to n. The numerator you can see square root of k plus 1 minus square root of k. Denominator you can see, student. Denominator you can see, what is that? Just you can use the a plus b into a minus b expression, right? So how to do this? Square root of a plus k plus 1 whole square is what? K plus 1 minus square root of minus square root of k whole square is k. So minus k plus k cancel, then its answer here is summation k is equal to 0 to n square root of k plus 1 minus square root of k. So I think all of you understood, right? Okay, next, what you can do, just you replace n is equal, k is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to n. Suppose if you substitute k is equal to 0, what will get? Square root of 1 minus square root of 0. If you apply k is equal to 1, square root of 2 minus square root of 1, so on, you can apply the n here, the square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n here. Understood? So you can see every term will be cancelled. You can see everything, the square root of 0 will be 0 automatically. Everything will be cancelled. You can see if when you substitute k is equal to n minus 1, you will get square root of n minus 1 plus 1 square root of n. So plus square root of n minus square root of n will cancel. So the finally we left the square root of n plus 1 only. I hope everyone understood, right? Okay, so next step is what you can do. So next step is Sn minus 1 you have to calculate. The same Sn minus 1, what you can do, same idea, you can do k is equal to 0 to n minus 1. So 1 by square root of, what is that, k plus 1 minus square root of k, right? So just replace n by n minus 1. So here you have to vary from n minus 1. You already rationalize, this is same as what? Summation k is equal to 0 to n square root of what is that? K plus 1 minus square root of k, right? Is it correct? Yes. Now what we can do, after rationalizing you get the same thing, but here k is vary from 0 to n minus 1. Now you can apply k is equal to 0. What will get? Square root of 1 minus, if you apply k is 0, square root of 1 minus square root of 0, plus if you apply 1, square root of 2 minus square root of 1, so on. If you apply last term n minus 1, you can apply square root of n minus square root of n minus 1. Clear? So before term you can apply n minus 2, you can apply n minus 2, you can apply n minus 2 plus 1 will be n minus square root of n minus 1. So the terms will be cancelled, right? You can see, so n minus 1 also cancel, because you can apply n minus 2 term, square root of n minus 2 plus 1 will be what? Square root of n minus 1. The last term here is square root of n minus square root of n minus 1 is there, therefore it will be cancelled. Then finally, so we left the square root of n, this is Sn minus 1. Okay. Finally, what we can do, just you can replace what is required actually. Summation, you can see summation n is equal to 1 to 99. So 1 by Sn plus Sn minus 1 they are asking, right? Okay, now you can substitute here. N is equal to 1 to 99. So 1 by, what is Sn here? Sn we got it, no, square root of n plus 1. Sn minus 1 is what? Square root of n. Okay. Now again you have to rationalize it. Again you have to rationalize it. Square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n plus, no. So square root of n only you have to take, right? Square root of n divided by square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. Now you can simply rationalize it. Okay. So what will get finally? Summation n is equal to 1 to 99. Just you can see the numerator is what is there. Square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n whole divided by this a plus b into a minus b form, right? So what we can do, just you can use a square minus b square, n plus 1 minus square root of n whole square is n only. So minus n plus 1 cancel. So summation n vary from 1 to 99, square root of n plus 1 minus square root of n. Now you can apply, n is equal to 1. Now what will get? Square root of 2 minus square root of 1 plus n equal to 2 you can apply. Square root of 3 minus square root of 2, so on. You can apply 98 last before term. What will get? 98 you can apply square root of 99 minus square root of 98. You can apply last term 99 square root of 99 plus 100 square root of 100 minus square root of 99. Clear? Now you can see, student, clearly what are the terms will be removed here. You can see this will be removed, square root 2 minus square root 2 removed, and square root 3 minus square root 3 also will come. So everything will removed except the second term and the last term before. This is only left. So you can see square root of 100 minus square root of 1 only is left. Square root of 100 is what? 10 minus 1, 9 is your answer. I hope everyone understood. So if you like this video and like this channel, you can watch this channel continuously. So I will post you all type of questions which is required for IOQM. So you can build your mathematics Olympiad very strongly. Okay, I hope everyone understood. And also one more thing, if you like this video, please subscribe it. Then only I can post more videos. You know, the people are watching, more people, no, then only I can make myself interest towards to creating more videos. Okay, so I hope everyone understood. So thank you everyone, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.